Not beg anybody make a cut soap for me. Make the soap not scatter the one where you already said.
A little bit more. Yes, I can see some of the accessories. It's just almost like a thing like this. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, then lean forward. Great. Awesome. Great. Good. Yes, I like that. I like that. Yeah, perfect. So I'm going to try this side and the other side also. Hold on. Good. Yes. Again, more. So yeah, I like that ball. Can we have the hand not like this? So let's say, let's have it down. Yes, good. Try that. That's something you can sit on. Yes. Perfect. This again? Okay.
That is clean up.
I think you should move up a little bit more. Yes. Dun. Nice. Like this one. Yeah, give those moves. Let's do some walking. But rather than across, let's have it from here. Just no, rather from there. Just walking towards me this way. So let's do it again. But you are looking away, you're not looking at me. Yeah, that's it. Good. Now let's do it again. But this time around, you are smiling or waving. No, not waving. You are smiling at an imaginary person, but on this side. So there's someone you're laughing at. You're cute. Hold on. 1 to go. That's it. Yeah, that's it. I like that. Get close up and include the rod. I think I like to call it staff. One more. Almost there. Chin down a little bit. Look at me. Yes. Straight face. Good. Both hands. That way we can have both hands. Or maybe not that way. Sorry. Something like this way. Yes. Perfect. So in this particular pose, we'll do different expression. We'll do straight, we'll do happy, we'll do angry. Just want to try. Yes, I like this one particular. Perfect. Or maybe not. No, let's cross at the foot instead. Perfect. Then the left hand can just come in a bit more so I can see it. Yes. And you can look this way entirely to the side. Perfect. Okay. Can do one without the glasses. Mm. Yeah, I like the expression. Let me show you some without the glasses. Yeah. Yes, like that. Good. I like that. That way you can just lean down towards me. Just lean forward. Good. Perfect. Stretch. Very good. Sweet melody. Yeah. Step back. Sam. Good. Yeah. Good thing. I like it. I want us to adjust the sitting. I like this. Yes. I like why you blocked a part of your face with the drink earlier. Yeah. Perfect. Sam say at all. Good. Now this way, is it possible to look at this left? It's be too strained for your neck. No, let's have it back way. Yeah. Yes, and just lean back. Neck please. To make that place more easy. You have the neck please.
So it was beautiful.
You sound very tired.
I'm exhausted. I haven't slept since yesterday. I was at TVC for interviews, and yeah. What's the word? It was. I like your energy. You're quite excited. You love what you do, and your capacity. Just build more on understanding the chat flow, the schemes of lighting. At times when you play with dark colors or dark lights, gives you popping this thing. But for what they are doing, you need brighter lights and all that. But it's okay. You try your hand out. But besides that, I love the synergy between you and him. Once you call his name, he knows what you want him to do, which is good. Having a partner that understands you and applies himself even before you even before you even finish your statement.
Yeah.
And that's good. Um, the sky is your limit. The sky can't even be your limit. The space can't even be your limit. So it's for you to enjoy, keep enjoying what you do. Keep enjoying what you do. I'm sorry the way I'm talking because I'm
It's
sleeping.
good. I like it. I like
But
it.
yeah, just enjoy what you do. If you don't enjoy what you do, people won't enjoy it. It is what you have, you give. You can't give what you don't have. Whether anybody my dash or fún yàn, tó ń rọ̀ la máa ń wò.
Speaking about.
Mo gbọ́ Yorùbá.
Wow. But you're not Yoruba.
No.
Did you grow up in Lagos?
I was born and bred up here in Lagos.
Wow, we're in Lagos.
Anyway, there's no place to call it Lagos.
I was shocked that you that. And anyone dash or
Anybody my dash or fún yàn, tó ń rọ̀ la ń wò.
Wow.
You can see the person that is dashing for me. Look at his neck. If he gives me clothes now, you look at his own, you'll be wondering whether he went to spend his last salary to buy it. But
you did 4 outfits. Which of the 4 did you like the most?
I like every one of them. I love the concept of the green pants. And even the general concept where you can have suit on a pant and you can have kaftan whatever on a pant. So it's like duality. You can easily go to a party, you wear a suit. In the same instance, you just take off the suit and switch to this one. So yeah.
Thank you for the amazing answer.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So in the words of Efe, what advice would you give anybody?
Not beg anybody make a cut soap for you.
Make the soap not go finish you.
Make the soap not scatter the one where you already said.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.